to another video. It's Taha, and today I have a new phone for you. It is called the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and it is a very new and cool phone. It has a very great angles, you can see. Today I'm going to do a full review on this and show you how does it work. So let's start it. So guys, first I'm going to open this phone. See, first I'm going to show you the buttons and the styling of this phone. So from here you can see the power button. Here is the Bixby and the volume button. Up here is the SIM port, and down here is the headphone jack, USB-C port, and the S Pen and a speaker. So from here you can see it has a very cool styling from edge. Its screen is curving to its body. You can see from here. It's a very cool screen. The first feature in this phone is, you can see from here and see there are two features. You can see this. What is this? It's Chrome and clock. You can, if you open it, it does this. This is called the screen pair. If you want to make a screen pair, first let me delete this from here. If you want to make a screen pair, you have to go here in edit, comes here. Then if you want to delete screen pair, you have to do this in the minus, then create app pairs, click here, come here, then look at this. If you do Chrome and clock, app pair already here. Wait a second. So guys, when you do Chrome and clock and do it to done, it does, the app pair come here. Then go to home, do this. Wait a second. Do this, the app will come here and do this. It splits into two screens. So you can see this is a very cool feature as well. So guys, now I'm going to go into the above area, then do this. Then there is, you can see there is the connection, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, power mode, data, and blue light mode. You can see it, the light turns into yellow. Then QR scanner, mobile hotspot, and location. From here you can see smart view. It is a very nice feature. When you do this, it does this. It means that if you want to connect your any device from the phone, you can connect it with the screen mirroring. Then you go into settings. Settings, you can see display. In display, here is the brightness level, then blue light filter, then night mode that many phones have, then screen mode. Wait a second. Then screen mode, then front size and style, then screen zoom. Front size and style is you can adjust the letters where you want them. Then there is screen zoom and rotation. It means if you want to rotate your phone in which angles, like HD, full HD, and quad HD. It is a very nice thing as well. Okay, when you come into the main menu of the settings, you go down and go into advanced features. From here you can see the features. Manage S Pen, Bixby key, which I have shown you, call and text on other devices, smart pop-up view, smart capture, direct share, reduce animations, and more, duo manager, and more of the messages, and game launcher. There was a function called game launcher. It is this function that if you want to download a game, you can download it and go here. From here it launches the game full satisfactorily and clears all the data which is virus stuff. So it is a very nice app in this phone. So guys, when you go down into the menu, there is Samsung Health. Click it, it comes here. So first it shows you how many steps you have been walked. Okay, then there are much things like heart rating. You have to do this. There is a sensor below the camera. It will flash it. If you can see, put the finger on that, and now it is measuring. This is your heartbeat measuring down. Now you can stress measure, you have to put the finger on the sensor again, and it measures your stress from here. You can see now heart rate from here. You can measure the heart rate from here. Do this, and it is measuring the heart rate. So guys, when it is finished, it shows you I have drinking 98% of water and my heart rate is 170 BPM. My stress is almost high, and the nature is, you can see from here. So now go back, and there is another very cool feature, and now I'm going to do the features of the S Pen. So guys, from here you can disable the S Pen. You can disable the S Pen from here. The very cool features, there are many features. They create note, view all notes, smart select, write screen, live message, and many more things. First I'm going to do create note. I'm going to click on create note. Now I'm going to write something. Here you can choose the color, the pencil, and the width of the pen. So now you can do this, and it writes. From here it is a little difficult because you have to put your pen on the screen, but if you turn off the phone, put your pen back into the phone and then pop it out, there is a new black screen over here. From here you can choose the color, the pencil from here, the thing, and here you can choose the eraser. So I'm going to pencil. I have chosen green color, and now I'm going to write something like so. You can see from here it writes very easily, and it is very easy to write on this thing. Now I'm going to show you some more features of the S Pen. Now if you come here again, it shows you view all notes. From here it views the notes you have written. Then select smart. You can select any of the note where you want to select and put it on your front screen. Then it says screen write. In screen write, from here it take a screenshot of your phone, and you can select anything you want, circle them, or write on your screen, and then put it anywhere or save it. So I'm going to just go back. Now I'm going to go live message. In live message, from here you can do how big or small or tiny you want the color to be. From here you can select the color. From here you can select the pencil. So I have select the pen. Now I'm going to write anything like now. If you want to go to format in GIF and start it, so it comes like this. If you can see. So guys, when you go back here, it has a lot of things, and I think show you almost a lot of things of this phone. So now we're going to talk about how much it is worth taking this phone. So guys, this phone price in Pakistan is 1,08,000 rupees, and in India the price is 59,000. And so you can, if you are in India, you have the price of this phone in 59, and if you are in Pakistan, you have the price of this phone in 1,09,000. So it is a very durable phone. If you can see, it has very cool features, and everything you can do in this phone. This is almost, you can say, it's not for calling, it's for gaming, it's for doing stuff like this, and it is a very durable phone. From one thing that many people were asking me, what is the Bixby? So if you press the Bixby and press it on, it comes this. This is the Bixby Home, and you can even open the Bixby from here. So it is a very nice. And if you want to disable Bixby, you have to do this. Go here. Here the this. Do this. Wait a second. Do this, and the Bixby is disabled and come back from here. So it don't come from here as well. So if you want to open the Bixby, you have to go here, click it, and here, then it comes Bixby. So it is a very cool phone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the phone review. I think you will enjoy more of the videos. And one thing that I want to show you is the camera quality. So there are many words. It has a very nice camera. I have taken some pictures of the phone. This is the Galaxy Grand Prime, which I have taken a picture. So there is one very cool feature. It has slow motion, super slow motion. It has video, picture, live focus, and pro, panorama, and full. So the live focus is a very nice feature. In this, you can take the picture and focus it and blur it where you want. You can even do it after you take the picture. You have taken a picture, go in settings, go in settings. From here, you have to do settings. There is a feature called close up. From close up, it looks like this, and when you do it wide angle, it looks like this. So this lens is the close up, and this is the wide angle lens, and it is a very cool feature of this phone. From here, you can write on the pictures. From here, do this. You can even write from the S Pen on here. Let me just S Pen. From here, you can write. And this S Pen is stylus S Pen. So it is a very cool phone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more notifications when I make a new upload. And this is a very nice phone. I hope you like this phone, and it has very nice features. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again. So bye bye.